Hi students, welcome to today's class. So today I am going to explain previous year questions which were asked in JEE mains examinations. Okay, so without wasting our valuable time, so let us start our class. See the first problem, it was asked in 2021 JEE mains examination. If a tangent to the ellipse x square plus 4y square is equal to 4 meets the tangents at the extremities of its major axis at B and C. Then the circle with BC as diameter passes through the point. The options are A root 3 comma 0, B root 2 comma 0, C 1 comma 1, D minus 1 comma 1. So first of all, let us try to understand the problem. If a tangent to the ellipse, so what is the equation of the ellipse? So this is x square plus 4y square is equal to 4. This can be written as x square by 4 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. So divided with the 4. So this is clearly a horizontal ellipse. Okay. Right. So here a square is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to plus or minus 2. That means the extremities of the major axis, this is a 2 comma 0 and it is minus 2 comma 0. Okay now. So he is saying that the extremities of its major axis at B and C, the tangents at the extremities of the major axis. That means here there is a tangent here. This is a one tangent. Here also one tangent is there. Obviously, definitely they will be parallel to y-axis. Okay now. So he is drawn one tangent somewhere he is drawn one tangent. So we don't know this point. So if you draw, he draws a tangent, it intersects these tangents at B and C. Okay, now he wants the circle with the BC as diameter passes through. That means with the BC as diameter, so if you draw a circle, then what is the point that lies on this circle? That we have to find out. Okay, if you find out the coordinates of B and C, the problem will be over. Okay, so our main aim is to find the coordinates of B and C. Then how to proceed? So before that, so he is saying that P is any point on the ellipse. Okay now, so we will take the point P in parametric form. We will find out the equation and we will find out the intersecting point here B and C. But one thing is very clear. So these, since they are parallel to y-axis, these coordinates are x coordinate is 2. So here also x coordinate is minus 2. So we have to find out y coordinates. Okay. So if you find out y coordinates, the problem is over. So ultimately our problem is reduced to find the y coordinates of B and C. So if you find out the y coordinates of B and C, the problem is over. Then how to proceed? Now I will take a point P that is in the parametric form as like this. So this is equal to P is equal to A cos theta comma B sin theta. This is equal to, what is your A? So A is here, A we will take as a 2 cos theta, where A we will take as a 2 cos theta and B we will take as a 1 into sin theta. Okay. So this is a B value A square, this is A square is equal to 4, here we take only positive quantity 2 cos theta comma 1 sin theta. Okay. Now this is the general point on the ellipse. Now let us find out the equation of the tangent. So what is the equation of the tangent? X x1 by 4 plus y y1 by 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. X x1 means how much? 2 cos theta by 4 plus y y1 means how much is sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So therefore x cos theta by 2 plus y into sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We got it. Now we have to find out here y coordinate. Okay, now substitute x is equal to 2 here. So if you substitute x is equal to 2, now what is the y coordinate? We will get here. So here if you substitute 2 here, 2 will get cancelled. So therefore cos theta into y sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So that is your y1. We correct as a y1. So therefore the point C is 2 comma 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now to get this point, substitute x is equal to minus 2. So if you substitute x is equal to minus 2, then see what happens here. So if you substitute x is equal to minus 2, 2 will cancel, minus cos theta plus y sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to y is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So still we can reduce the here. 1 minus cos theta we can write down 2 sin square theta by 2. So this is a 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So 2 cancel, sin theta also cancel. So this we got as a tan theta by 2. Right, 1 plus cos theta by 2 is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2 by 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. 2 cancel, 1 cos theta cancel. So this is a cot theta by 2. So on the whole, the point C is 2 comma tan theta by 2. The point B is minus 2 comma cot theta by 2. Okay now. So afterwards we can proceed like this. If it is x1 y1, x2 y2. We know the equation of the circle whose endpoints of the diameter also we know that. So we will proceed like that. Okay now. And also we will find the point P also we can find it. Okay. So I hope that up to that you understand this solution. Let us continue the solution. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. We know the equation of the circle whose endpoints of the diameter are x1 comma y1 and it is x2 comma y2. So we know the formula equation of circle. So what is the equation of the circle formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay now. So this is x minus x1 means how much? Minus 2, that is plus 2. X minus x2 means how much? 2. So this is equal to y minus y1 means how much? Cot theta by 2. Y minus y2 means how much? Tan theta by 2. So this is tan theta by 2 is equal to 0. Right, we can expand this and we can simplify this. So this is equal to x square minus 4. So a plus b into a minus b. And this is also we can write it as a. Now if you do the calculation part, so let us see the option verification. Let us see the option verification. Which option it will satisfies. Okay now. So let us see this, multiply this here. So y into y. So this is a y square minus this is a tan theta by 2 plus cot theta by 2 into y, minus into minus plus this is a cot theta by 2 into tan theta by 2. Of course its value is equal to 1. So let us try the option verification. First option I will take a root 3 comma 0. You substitute here in place of x root 3 whole square 1 minus 4 sorry. So root 3 whole square 3 minus 4, this is a minus 1. Y value is 0. So this will become 0. This whole thing is also 0 plus cot theta into tan theta. So this value is 1. So therefore minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore option A satisfies this equation. Okay. So very easy problem this is. I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this second problem. Let L be a common tangent line to the curves 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36 and 2x plus 2x whole square plus 2y whole square is equal to 31. Then the square of the slope of L is. So then how to find out? So here to know this problem, two basic concepts you have to know. So first one is, see here, what is the first curve? 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36. So this is x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. This is ellipse. What is the general equation on the ellipse? So that we will take it as a y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. That we should know. So that is equal to y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square means how much? 9. 9m square plus b square is equal to how much? 4. Call it as equation 1. Okay. He is saying common tangent. Right. Second one. What is the second equation? So if you square it, we will get it as a 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 31. So this is x square plus y square is equal to 31 by 4. This is an ellipse. Sorry, this is a circle. This is a circle whose center is 0, 0 and the radius is root 31 by 2. Now what is the equation of the tangent? So here is saying that common tangent means same slope. That means y is equal to mx plus only plus. So therefore r into root of 1 plus m square. So this is y is equal to mx plus r means how much? Root of 31 by 4 into 1 plus m square. Root of 31. So that root is also there 31. So we call it as 2. So here both are same equations. Both are common tangents only. We will compare these two equations and we will see here take minus m plus mx, this side y minus mx, this also y minus mx, both sides y minus mx, then we can equate these constant terms. Already for that, for both of them, the square root is there. For taking squaring on both sides, we will get as a 9m square plus 4 is equal to 31 by 4 into 1 plus m square. So from this we have to find out then this is the square of the slope of the L is. So that for m square value only we have to find out. So multiply here, 4 9s are 36 m square plus 4 4s are 16, 31 plus 31 m square. So this is equal to, take this 31 to left hand side, 36 minus 31, 5m square. 5m square is equal to 31 minus 16, so this is equal to 15. So this is equal to m square is equal to 3. 3 is your answer. So he is asking square of the slope. Square of the slope. Therefore m square is equal to 3. Therefore 3 is the numerical answer type problem. So 3 is your correct answer. So to do this problem, so the only thing what you required is, so you have to know the tangent conditions. You have to know these two tangent conditions. For ellipse, y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. For a circle, y is equal to mx plus r into root of 1 plus m square. Okay, now, right? I hope that you understand this. So this is also plus or minus, I think. Okay, right? I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this third problem. If the point P on the curve 4x square plus 5y square is equal to 20 is the farthest from the point Q 0 comma minus 4, then PQ square is equal to, right? Let us see the curve. What is the curve? Given curve. So here, so 4x square plus 5y square is equal to 20. So this is equal to x square by 5, y square by 4 is equal to 1. This is a clearly an ellipse. So it is an ellipse equation. Ellipse. Okay. Now is asked to find out the point P on the curve. We have to find out a point P on the curve. We don't know. Which is farthest from the point Q. So here Q is a fixed point. So here fixed point is how much? 0 comma minus 4. Just roughly I am drawing. So we have to find out a point P on the curve. This is a fixed point Q, which is farthest. Farthest means maximum distance. The point P should be at a maximum distance of Q. Let maybe this is a maximum distance. This is a Q. So this is a maximum distance. If you take point P here, it is a minimum distance. You want a point P which is farthest, which has a maximum distance from the fixed point Q 0 comma minus 4. Very easy to find out. Very, very easy to find out. General point P on the ellipse. General point P on the ellipse is equal to how much? A cos theta comma B sin theta. So nothing but A means how much? Root 5 cos theta. B means 2. 2 sin theta. So this is point P. Now what is asking? Q. PQ square. So let us find the distance between PQ square. So that is a PQ square. PQ square means what? Without square root. x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is equal to root 5 cos theta minus 1. So this is equal to root 5 cos theta whole square and 2 sin theta plus 4. 2 sin theta plus 4 whole square. So this is equal to 5 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 sin theta plus 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 2ab plus, so a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right. So this we can write it as it is a cos square theta, it is a sin square theta against sin theta. So let us convert it into any one of the form. So let us convert it into sin theta. So this is a 5 minus 5 sin square theta plus 4 sin square theta plus 16 sin theta plus 16. Cos square theta, I wrote 1 minus sin square theta, I multiplied this. So this is equal to 5 plus 16, 21. So this is a 21 plus 16 sin square theta. So 16 sin theta, 16 sin theta minus 5 sin square theta plus 4 sin square theta minus sin square theta. So this is equal to 21 plus 16 sin theta minus sin square theta. So this can be written as, so see here I will write it as 16 sin theta minus sin theta. I will write it as sin theta minus or plus otherwise minus 8 whole square. Can I write it as, see here, minus sin square theta minus 2ab. So minus 2ab means minus 16 sin theta, already outside plus minus is there, plus 16 sin theta. Already here the previous one 21 is there, put it 21 like that. So then what more to be added or subtracted to make the equations balance? So here how much you will get? Minus sin square theta minus into minus plus 16 sin theta, 8 square 64 minus 64 you will get. So this is plus 64. This is plus 64. So let us check once here. So if you multiply here, so here you will get a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab, okay, plus b square, that is equal to, you will get here plus 64, that is a minus 64 you will get here. So plus 64 you have to add so that the equation will be balanced. So this is how much? 21 plus 64. 21 plus 64 is equal to how much? This is a 85 minus sin theta minus 8 whole square. This is an expression you will get. You got the expression, that is a PQ square is equal to 85 minus sin theta minus 8 whole square. Now this PQ should be maximum. That PQ maximum, so that PQ square is also will become maximum. This will happen when sin theta is maximum. When sin theta is maximum, what is the maximum value of sin theta? 1. So that means if sin theta is 1, then PQ square will become maximum value. So therefore substitute this 85 minus sin theta value 1 you substitute. That is a 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 is equal to how much? Minus 7. Minus 7 whole square means how much? 49. So 85 minus 49 is equal to how much? 36. So 36 is your correct answer. So that is the maximum distance. So once again I am telling, very easy. Q is a fixed point. He is asked you to find out a point on the ellipse which is farthest. Farthest means maximum distance. So P is a general point is A cos theta comma B sin theta. A we substituted. I got the PQ square. PQ square means what? X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus. So I got an expression in terms of only sin theta. Okay. Otherwise in terms of only sin theta. So that sin theta will become maximum. Okay. When sin theta will become maximum? When sin theta is equal to 1. I substituted 1 here. So 1 minus 8 minus 7 whole square is 49. So 85 minus, so this whole thing is completely a trigonometry. It is a complete trigonometry. Only your calculus part is up to here only. root 5 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. Okay, so remaining whole problem is algebra and trigonometry. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Dear students, welcome to this problem. The problem is a very easy problem. So let x is equal to 4 be a directrix to an ellipse whose center is at the origin and its eccentricity is 1 by 2. Okay, if p 1 comma beta, where beta is a positive quantity, is a point on this ellipse, then the equation of the normal to it at p is equal to 1 is. So he is given, first of all, x is equal to 4 is a directrix. So that means if you see this diagram, this is a x-axis and it is a y-axis. X is equal to 4. That means what? It is a line parallel to y-axis. X is equal to 4. Then he is saying it is a directrix. X is equal to 4 is a directrix and whose center is at the origin, means definitely your ellipse must be this form, that is horizontal ellipse. That means your equation should be x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a greater than b. Okay, so if you find out a value, b value, almost the problem is completed. Now, so we know that for the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, the equation of the directrix is x is equal to a by e, which is on right hand side. If it is a left hand side, x is equal to minus a by e. That means your a by e value is 4. A by e value is 4. Call it as equation number 1. From this, eccentricity is given. What is the eccentricity? 1 by 2. That is a by 1 by 2 is equal to 4. This implies a is equal to 2. So 2 will come here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. A value is 2. Very nice. Then we can find out, if you know a value and the eccentricity value, it is easy to find out b value. How? We know that b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. A square is equal to 4, 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 cancel, 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore, b square value is 3. Therefore, your equation of the ellipse is x square by 4 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1. This is your equation of the ellipse. Now, second part. If p1 comma beta is a point on this ellipse, that means he is saying that there is a point 1 comma beta on this ellipse. So, wherever x is there, substitute 1. Wherever beta y is there, substitute beta. So, therefore, here it is 1 by 4. This is a beta square by 3 is equal to 1. From this, solve the beta value. So, your this is beta square by 3 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 ones are 3 by 4. Our beta is equal to beta square is equal to 9 by 4. 3 3s are 9 by 4. So, this implies beta is equal to 3 by 2. Actually, plus or minus 3 by 2. But it is given that beta is greater than. Therefore, what is a point on this? x1 beta 3 by 2. That's all. x1 beta 3 by 2. So, therefore, 1 comma 3 by 2 is a point on this ellipse. Then the equation of the normal at this point. So, this is a x1 by 1. We know that if a point is given and the equation of the ellipse is known, then we can easily find out the equation of the normal. But it is we can do the option verification also. See here, option verification we will do. So, substitute here. We can find out the normal equation, that is a square x by x1. So, that is equal to a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Like that also we can find out. But you find out using option verification. That means substitute here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 by 2. So, here 1, here 3 by 2. No, you won't get not this here. Here also 1, 3 by 2. So, this is not satisfying. This is not satisfying. So, here 1, 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. So, it is satisfying. Next one. 7, 3 by 2. So, if you substitute y is equal to 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. So, minus. So, this is also satisfying. So, substitute here 1, 3 by 2. So, this is also satisfying. That means B, C, D are our maybe any one of the answer. Let us calculate the tangent equation using this formula. Therefore, so the equation of the normal, we have a square x by x1. So a x by x1. So and b y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so sorry, here a square b square. So here a square is equal to 4 x by x1 minus b square is equal to 3 y by y1. 3 by 2 is equal to a square minus b square. So here 3 will get cancelled. 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. Therefore, option B is your correct answer. Okay. So I hope that so equation of the normal at the point x1 comma y1 to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to this problem. So the problem is if the length of the minor axis along y-axis of an ellipse in the standard form. In the standard form is 4 by root 3. If this ellipse touches the line, that means x plus 2y is equal to 8. That means x plus 2y is equal to 8 is a tangent. Then it's eccentricity. Very, very easy problem. So this is asked in 2020. So I hope that everybody will do this problem. Those who are seriously preparing for examination. So in the standard form, so what the equation of the ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square. What is the length of the minor axis? 2b. So this is a 2b is equal to 4 by root 3. 2 1s are 2 2s are. B is equal to 2 by root 3. So b value we got. So ultimately we want eccentricity. Eccentricity means E is equal to root of 1 minus b square by a square. Understand? So we want b value and a value. Right. Already we got b value. So if you know a value, the problem is over. For that hint is x plus 6y is equal to 8 is the tangent to that ellipse. That means see here x plus 6y is equal to 8. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 8 by 6. That is equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 4 by 3. So that means take the x2 minus 6 and divide with 6. So this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. We have the tangent condition. What is the tangent condition? C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. C is equal to how much? 4 by 3. That is equal to 16 by 9. A square we don't know. A square. M square that is equal to 1 by 6 6 are 36 plus b square is equal to how much? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So from this is equal to 16 by 9 is equal to a square plus LCM 36. So 36 means 3 1s are 3 2s are 48 plus 48. LCM I have taken 48. So this implies 9 1s are 9 4s are. So from this a square is equal to 4 16s are 64. 64 minus 48. So 64 minus 48 means how much is 16. A square value is 16. Okay, now don't find out a value. A square value is equal to 16. Now your eccentricity E is equal to root of 1 minus b square means how much? 4 by 9, 4 by 3 by b square is equal to 4 by 3, right? B square by a square is equal to 16. So E is equal to root of 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are. E is equal to 1 minus 1 by 12. So this is equal to, so root of 11 by 12. Root of 11 by 12. Root 12 means 2 root 3. So that means 2, 1 by 2. So we can write it as a 1 by 2 root of 11 by 3. Option A is the right answer. Very, very easy problem. This is the only thing here is tangent condition. So if you know this condition, immediately we can find out b value. He is staying standard form x square by a square plus y square by b square. From this, we length of the minor axis is 2b. We got b value. And he is saying touches. Touches means tangent. Tangent means tangent condition. And we got the a square value. After knowing b square and a square, it is easy to find out the eccentricity. So such type of, after seeing all these problems, what is the conclusion that we get is, so if you have a basic command over the formulae, all concepts, all formulas, if you have basic command over the formulae, the solution of the problems is a very easy. Okay, now, so it is not at all a difficult to solve it. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed today's class. With some more problems, tomorrow's class I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.